This month's reader recipe is the perfect family weeknight meal that everybody will love. We're going to be making a taco casserole tonight, so let's go ahead and get started. To begin, we're going to start by browning 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet on the stove over about medium heat. While that's starting to brown, go ahead and chop 1 onion finely diced and add it to the meat as it's browning. After the meat is fully cooked and the onions have began to soften a little bit, go ahead and drain off the excess fat of that and then add it back into the skillet. And we're going to add 1 packet of your favorite taco seasoning, and we're going to add about ½ a cup or so of water straight to the skillet. Go ahead and let this simmer on the stove for about 5 minutes. While that's finishing up, we're gonna go ahead and assemble the rest of the ingredients. To a large bowl, you're gonna add 4 cups of frozen cubed hash browns, 1 can of corn that has been drained, 1 can of black beans that have been drained and rinsed, 1 can of diced tomatoes undrained, just add the whole thing straight in, and then 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Go ahead and mix that together till everything is nice and combined, and then once the meat is finished on the stove and everything is simmered and smelling delicious, add that ground beef straight into this large bowl with everything else and give it a really good stir. Once that's all mixed together, you're gonna go ahead and pour this into a greased 13x9 baking pan and pop this into a preheated 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. You're gonna start by baking this casserole covered for 30 minutes at first. Once that 30 minutes is up, remove it from the oven, gently stir everything around, and then put it back in, and then you're gonna cook it uncovered for about another 15 minutes until everything is nice, hot, and bubbly. Then we have 1 more remaining step. Go ahead and remove it from the oven, give it another stir, and then you're gonna top it with the remaining cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Pop it back in the oven just for 5 minutes so that the cheese can get all nice, hot, and melty over top. Once that time is up and the cheese is all nice and melted, remove it from the oven and it's ready to serve. This is such an easy and delicious weeknight meal that can be made in less than an hour that the whole family is gonna love. You can go ahead and serve this with hot sauce and sour cream, avocado, chopped cilantro, tortilla chips, salsa, all your favorite taco toppings. Go ahead and add it to that to the side. It's just a fun way to kind of eat a deconstructed taco and make things just a little bit easier for your weeknight meals. For the full recipe, head on over to KentuckyLiving.com. Everything you need to know, all the ingredients and all of the things can be found there. I know everyone is gonna love this recipe this month. It's perfect for Taco Tuesday and Cinco de Mayo, so go ahead and put it on your must-make list. Thanks so much for joining me in my kitchen today, and until next time, I'll talk to y'all very soon. Bye.